Hey guys, this is Aman from Dappier. So Bolt.new is conducting the world's largest hackathon on 30th May and Dappier is one of the sponsors. So let's see how we can build cool apps using Bolt.new plus Dappier. So let's get on to Bolt.new website and let's create a health supplement store. I've pasted a prompt which I already pre-written. This already contains an hero section, a mission, top categories, and ask AI widget placeholder, which we'll be creating later in this video using Dappier Ask AI. So let's get started. So finally, the Bolt.new has created this website, which is looking very cool. So let's add our AI advisor over here. Let's log in into Dappier.com. So click on AI agents. Let us give this agent the name NutriWise, and we can say you are a helpful guide on NutriWise content, and just add a image for it. Now let's add a data source of site URL. Before that, let's deploy our app onto Netlify. So let's click deploy over here. Awesome. So let's grab this URL from bolt.new and go to the Dappier platform and enter this URL over here. And let's add this to the model as a data source. And let's begin fine tuning. So the Ask AI agent is finally ready and it has been trained on this data of our website. Now let's try to rename this to NutriWise to match the website and click on update. Now let's just go into Ask API and configure the API key, which I've already configured. Let's keep the test key and let's give it an on NutriWise agent dot web.dappier.com. Let's update our widget. We need to copy this head tag and let's ask bolt.new to embed this into a head tag and then embed this ask AI widget into the appropriate placeholder. So now let's deploy our app. Now let's see our agent live in action. You can just go into the ask the AI and as you can see it has already given the questions that we can ask to it depending on our content of this website. What are the top rated supplements? It said is magnesium good for sleep? Do you offer? Do you sell it? Yeah, that's awesome. So yeah, that's it. So this is a short video like how you can integrate an Ask AI agent using Dappier and Bolt.new. Thanks for watching and see you for the next time. Goodbye.